Organizations targeted include leading Palestinian human rights organizations Al-Haq and Ad-Damir, as well as a research center. Israel says the groups have links to the Popular Front for the Liberation of Palestine, which has carried out deadly attacks. The designation gives the army the power to shut down offices and arrest staff. Harry Fawcett has more now from West Jerusalem.
They were designating these 6 NGOs as linked to funneling money to the PFLP, which Israel and a number of Western countries define as a terrorist organization. Now, there was some pushback internationally against this. There was also criticism internally within Israel about the sort of PR effect of doing this without a full and transparent account of exactly how they were basing these accusations. There was also a leak of a dossier that was given to European nations trying to encourage them not to fund these groups earlier in the year, that was obtained by The Intercept and by the 972 magazine in Israel, which showed that a lot of the information being presented came from 2 accountants linked to an entirely separate organization. So accusations that the intelligence being presented really wasn't that firm. Now, for all of the sound and fury around that, the actual practical implications beyond potentially influencing donors, they weren't great. But now that the Israeli military has also adopted this language, adopted this decision, that enables it to enforce this anti-terror law, as far as the Israelis are concerned, in the occupied West Bank, where these 6 organizations operate. The Israeli military saying that they've been presented with copious, varied, reliable intelligence that they are operating as wings of the PFLP, and as such, their staff are now subject to arrest, potential prosecution, potential